Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look at the proteins of bone matrix. So to begin with, first is the osteoblast. So osteoblast, it includes the derived proteins. That is, they can include the type 1 collagen, then the calcium binding proteins, that is osteonectin and the bone ciala protein, then the cell adhesion, the proteins, that is the osteopontin, the fibronectin, as well as the thrombospondin. Then the cytokines such as the IL-6, IL-1 and the RANKL. Then comes the enzymes. The enzymes include the collagenase and the alkaline phosphatase. Then the growth factors such as the IGF. Growth factors such as the IGF-1 and the TGF-B. IGF-1, TGF-B and the PDGF. Then proteins involved includes the mineralization as the osteocalcin. So what are the proteins concentrated from the serum? So under this, it includes albumin as well as the beta-2 globule. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.